Let's see how to recover Hostinger account. To recover your Hostinger account, go to hostinger.com and then from the top click on login. Let's say you have the email address of your Hostinger account but you forget the password. So click on forget password from here. Now here we need to enter our Hostinger email and after that click on send reset email, and after that Hostinger will send us a message on our email and we can easily use that to forget our Hostinger account password. But if you don't have email and unable to access your account, go back to the Hostinger login page, click on can't access your account, and now from here you can select any option and recover your Hostinger account. Let's say you have lost your two-factor authentication. Just select it from here, enter your Hostinger account email and then click on start account recovery. Just select the option, enter your Hostinger email and then click on start account recovery. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.